Keto diet plan for beginners. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that offers many health benefits. Many studies show that this type of diet can help you lose weight and improve your health. Ketogenic diets may even have benefits against diabetes, cancer, epilepsy, and Alzheimer's disease. What is a ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet is a very low-carb, high-fat diet that shares many similarities with the Atkins and low-carb diets. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet. It lowers blood sugar and insulin levels, and shifts the body's metabolism away from carbs and towards fat and ketones. Different types of ketogenic diets. There are several versions of the keto diet. The standard (SKD) version is the most researched and most recommended. Standard ketogenic diet. This is a very low-carb, moderate protein and high-fat diet. It typically contains 75% fat, 20% protein and only 5% carbs. Cyclical ketogenic diet. This diet involves periods of higher carb refeeds, such as 5 ketogenic days followed by 2 high-carb days. Targeted ketogenic diet. This diet allows you to add carbs around workouts. High-protein ketogenic diet. This is similar to a standard ketogenic diet, but includes more protein. The ratio is often 60% fat, 35% protein and 5% carbs. Health benefits of keto diet. A ketogenic diet may provide many health benefits, especially with metabolic, neurological or insulin-related diseases. Heart disease. The ketogenic diet can improve risk factors like body fat, HDL cholesterol levels, blood pressure and blood sugar. Cancer. The diet is currently being used to treat several types of cancer and slow tumor growth. Alzheimer's disease. The keto diet may reduce symptoms of Alzheimer's disease and slow its progression. Epilepsy. Research has shown that the ketogenic diet can cause massive reductions in seizures in epileptic children. Parkinson's disease. One study found that the diet helped improve symptoms of Parkinson's disease. Polycystic ovary syndrome. The ketogenic diet can help reduce insulin levels, which may play a key role in polycystic ovary syndrome. Brain injuries. One animal study found that the diet can reduce concussions and aid recovery after brain injury. Acne. Lower insulin levels and eating less sugar or processed foods may help improve acne. Foods to avoid in keto diet. Avoid carb-based foods like grains, sugars, legumes, rice, potatoes, candy, juice and even most fruits. Foods to eat for keto diet. Base the majority of your diet on foods such as meat, fish, eggs, butter, nuts, healthy oils, avocados and plenty of low-carb veggies.